kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Skin color, grey color, brown color, black color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, pink color and light green color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for carrot. D for dog. E for ear. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. N K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sister. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for village. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.